Hey everyone, it's Terry Gormley here, and I know it's not normal for me, but I thought I'd just take a couple of minutes out to share an amazing event that's happening on Thursday, the 18th of June 2026 at Cast in Doncaster. It's the release of the James Coppinger story, and I haven't really shared very much in public about my journey and my part in the story over the last 20 plus years with him. But if you're a Doncaster Rovers fan, a fan of uh, personal development, or somebody that is just looking for a little bit of inspiration or something to change or transform their life a little bit, should really go and watch this documentary. It's an amazing story about a Doncaster Rovers football legend. And when I met him, he was, by his own words, I'm not telling anything in confidence here, but by his own admission, he was on his way out of football. And over the last 20 plus years, I'm very proud to say that this amazing footballer and simply awesome human being has done incredible things in his life. And this week I'm coming over for the premiere, and I am so looking forward to this. It's a couple of years now since Louis Reeves, the actor and now personal trainer, influencer, came to my house and interviewed me about this. And yeah, it's been a while coming, but I think if you're not there on the first evening, and if you get a chance to see this documentary after, you're going to see it's such an inspirational story about somebody who started, he played up front with Alan Shearer for Bobby Robson's Newcastle, and then spiraled into non-league, doing actions and behaviours that weren't supporting what he was doing. And fortunately, he was able to learn new strategies, new tactics, new behaviours, and to transform his life. And this is a complete story of what is an amazing footballer and a simply lovely, lovely human being. I'm so proud to be part of it. For more than 20 years. And one of the proudest things that I am is when people become really quite famous. And of course, he's a legend in Doncaster. Everybody knows who he is, who follows football. But when they become famous, I believe that fame, success amplifies who you really are. If you're a genuinely great human being, that amplifies. And if you're not so good human being, that amplifies too. And one of the reasons that I've been so close to Cops for the years is he is genuinely a wonderful human being. So, look, I thought I'd share with that. You can get tickets from Doncaster Rovers, and hopefully, I've been asked to do a bit of a Q&A after it. So, for those of you that followed me over the years, I know I don't post much about this, but I think it's going to be an amazing release, and you're going to see some hype around Doncaster when it comes out. And a shout out to Louis Tomlinson as well, who funded this project, because again, Louis Tomlinson, as you know, One Direction, a huge fan of Cops. Louis Reeves, the actor, huge fan of Cops, and thousands and thousands of people all over know what a special human being this is. And I'd just like to see, Cast Theatre full on Thursday, the 18th of June. So if I see you there, it'd be amazing. All the best, and yeah, it's going to be amazing.